Top stocks in news: APAC Prefab, Nestle, JRR, Lupin, R Power, AEL, JP Associates, RITES. Stocks including APAC Prefab, Nestle, Gen Resource Recycling, Lupin, Reliance Power, Adani Enterprises, JP Associates, RITES and more will be in the spotlight on Wednesday, 1st October. 1. Gen Resource Recycling shares make a strong market debut. Stock lists at 265 rupees for a 14% premium. Gen Resource Recycling sold its shares in the price band of rupees 220 to 232 a piece, which could be applied for a minimum of 64 shares and its multiples to raise 1,250 crore rupees between September 24 to 26. 2. BMW Ventures turns wealth destroyer on market debut. Stock lists at 78 rupees for 21% discount. BMW Ventures sold its IPO in the price band of rupees 94 to 99 per share with a lot size of 151 equity shares between September 24 to 26 to raise a total of 231.66 crore rupees. 3. APAC Prefab Technologies disappoints at market debut. Stock lists at 183 rupees for a 10% discount. APAC Prefab Technologies sold its shares in the price band of rupees 194 to 204 a piece, which could be applied for a minimum of 73 shares and its multiples to raise rupees 504 crore between September 24 to 26. 4. Adani Enterprises, the Adani Group's flagship firm's subsidiary, Adani Road Transport, ARTL, has executed a share purchase agreement with Yashodhan Highways, YHPL, and DRN Infrastructure, DRN, to acquire a 100% stake in YHPL. It has executed a share purchase agreement with KN Highways Development, KNHDPL, and DRN Infrastructure to acquire a 100% stake in KNHDPL. 5. Nestle India, the FMCG company further strengthened its commitment to India as it signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, MoFPI, to expedite investments in greenfield and brownfield projects in Odisha and its existing manufacturing locations. 6. Shree Cement, the cement player has commissioned a clinkerization unit having a capacity of 3.65 MTPA at its integrated cement plant being set up at Jaitaran, Rajasthan. 7. Lupin, the pharma company has received approval from the USFDA for its abbreviated new drug application, ANDA, for Rivaroxaban for oral suspension, which is bioequivalent to Xarelto for oral suspension of Janssen Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Rivaroxaban for oral suspension is used for the treatment of venous thromboembolism, VTE. 8. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, the state-run NBFC shares its business updates for the 3 months ended on 30th September 2025 as it reported a 86% YoY rise in the loan sanctioned to 33,148 crore rupees, while loan disbursements rose 54% YoY to 15,043 crore rupees. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.